To perform this work, you will begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Begin by removing the two locking Phillips head screws on each side of the rear of the splash shield. As you turn them, they eject from the subframe, releasing the rear of the shield. Remove the three 10mm bolts securing the front of the lower splash shield and also the lower edge of the front bumper cover. On cars with aerodynamic package, the two outer bolts are hidden up under the bumper cover, yellow arrows. Loosen the bolts and slide the splash shield out. Now remove the wheels so you can access the wheelhouse liners. Remove the two Phillips head screws as shown here, green arrows. Next, locate and remove the plastic expansion rivets securing the liner to the wheelhouse, green arrows. The rivet locations are the same for the other side of the car as well. Shown here is one of the plastic expansion rivets being removed. When the center screw part is pressed into the outer part, it drives the fingers outwards, locking the rivet in place. Sometimes the outer part will turn with the screw as you try to loosen it. If it does, hold the outer part stationary as you loosen the screw part. If your car has fog lights, twist and remove the bulb holder from the housing on each side of the car. On both sides of the car, reach inside the access ports behind the bumper carrier, then twist and remove the bulb holders for the turn signal lights, green arrows. Now loosen and remove both of the 10mm bolts securing the side of the bumper cover to the frame underneath, green arrows. Next, remove the T30 torque bolts on each side of the car securing the front edges of the bumper cover to the carrier. Note in this image it shows two 10mm bolts installed. At some point, these were changed. Now carefully begin to remove the front bumper cover. As you do, twist and remove the side marker bulb holders from both sides of the cover, green arrow. As you remove the bumper cover, remove the outside air temperature sensor from its holder inside the bumper cover, green arrow. Shown here is the front end of the car with the bumper cover removed. Next, remove the four 13mm nuts, green arrows, and the 13mm bolt securing the passenger side of the bumper carrier to the front of the car. You will probably need to use a deep socket with an extension to reach some of the fasteners. Remove the four 13mm nuts, green arrows, and the 13mm bolt securing the driver's side of the bumper carrier to the front of the car. You can now remove the aluminum bumper carrier from the front of the car. Remove the 10mm bolt securing each crush tube to the plastic retaining frame, green arrow. Remove the two bolts securing the crush tubes to the front of the subframe, green arrows. You can now pull both crush tubes off of the subframe, green arrows. That may take a little work to get them off if they've never been removed before. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.